Hi guys! My name is Ria. Welcome sa channel ko and I hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's video ay magluluto tayo ng chicken curry. Personally, hindi ko talaga type ang dish na ito pero sa recipe na ito ay nasarapan ako. At favorite na ito ng asawa ko, so I thought na i-share ko dito sa channel ko. Alright, so umpisahan natin sa mga sangkap. Kailangan natin ng patatas, carrots, water, canola oil, coconut milk, ginger, bawang, chicken breast ang gamit ko dito, ground black pepper, curry powder, asin, turmeric, cumin, and red onions. Sa lista ng mga ingredients, kindly check the description box down below. So first off, kuha tayo ng pan, lagyan ng canola oil on medium heat. Once mainit na yung oil, una muna natin gisahin ang red onions. Sa red onions, ginisa ko ito mga about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, I added the garlic and ginger. So, gisa-gisa lang yan. Again, mga 2 to 3 minutes or hanggang sa, kumbaga, golden brown in color na yung garlic. Then, add yung tatlong spices, yung curry powder, turmeric, at saka cumin. Ginagawa ko ito kasi para talagang yellow yung color ng chicken curry natin bago ako nag-add ng manok. So, sa chicken naman, pwede kayong gumamit ng bone-in chicken pero ayaw ng asawa ko ng bone-in, so ginamit ko ay chicken breast. Then, halo-haloin lang yan, as you can see. I mean, because of the curry powder, of course, yellow yung color ng chicken. Kaya nga, chicken curry. Kasi, di ba, usually ang chicken curry is yellow. Alright. So, I seasoned it with ground black pepper and salt. Then, nilagyan ko rin ng tubig. Pakuluan natin ito, mga about 10 minutes. This is still on medium heat. After 10 minutes, inilagay ko ang coconut milk, carrots, at saka patatas. So, dito naman, niluto ko ito mga about 12 to 15 minutes or hanggang sa luto na yon, malambot na yung, not malambot, luto na yung patatas at carrots. Alright? And this is what it looks like nung after ng 15 minutes. Then, tinikman ko lang yan. And then, adjust it. Ina-adjust ko yan, of course, according to my taste. Pero in cooking naman, always adjust it according to your desired taste. And that's it. So again, as what I mentioned earlier, check the description box below kasi meron doon yung lista ng ingredients. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Napakasimple lang pero malinamnam ang sarap ng chicken curry na ito. Thank you so much for watching and take care!